some water, man. I don't even have my attachments on my hose pipe today. YouTube, y'all see what's going on. We have Ghost and DIY Detail, pro grade, quick bead, graphene infused ceramic sealant. Come on, man, let me go on there. They say spritz it on the surface. Got a little after spray from some trim restore. I have a few videos I'm working on right now for you guys. It's just an easy spritz. Now since I spritzed it, they say let dwell for 30 seconds. So I'm about to let this sit. Look at that guy. He wanted to pull in my driveway, but since I'm outside, he didn't. And it's not a turnaround, so you shouldn't be doing that anyway. So you spritz on the entire vehicle. You allow it to dwell for 30 seconds to a minute. And you rinse, then you dry the entire vehicle. So, y'all see what's going on. Now Kash, they say rinse, but Kash is gonna come in with a buff towel, wipe it in, and then I'm gonna see how that go. And then on the side of the vehicles, I'm gonna rinse it. So I'm gonna do two different methods, and I'm gonna give you guys two different options, you know? So I'm gonna give you the first option, which is rinse. Allow to dwell for 30 seconds to a minute, then rinse. Kash gonna do that way, and Kash is also gonna do the Kash way. Let it dwell, then wipe it off with my microfiber towel. So Kash about to go and get the microfiber towel, come back in, give it a nice little wipe down, and see what we got. Let's go, good looking. So Kash wiping off, and I'm gonna ask you guys a question. You ever wipe butter with butter? Cause this is butter, and my truck is already butter, so it's just making butter and butter. So that's what Kash wanted to tell y'all what I noticed, and like that, butter on butter. Stop playing with Kash, man. I told y'all I'm the king of gloss for a reason. I don't say that neither. I show it. Stop playing with me. Play with your mama, play with your kids, play with your toys, play with something. Just don't play with Kash. You can play with yourself. Just don't play with Kash, man. Kash ain't to be played with. Now, since I wiped it like this, I'm gonna just come through with the hose, rinse it off, and then I'm gonna dry it again, and I'll be back with you guys to let y'all see the final gloss. But look at that gloss, man. Stop playing with Kash. I told y'all that once. I'm gonna keep telling y'all that. Gloss king, Kash himself. And like that, we're done. You see the reflection better already. I just did just this front bonnet for the video to show you guys. Just the hood. I'm gonna go on and do the rest of the vehicle probably today or tomorrow. I have some stuff I have to do today. So, this was Freestyle Friday. It's your boy Kash the Cool Dad, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this one. I enjoyed making it for y'all. Peace, love, shininess. King of gloss out, baby.